Hi friends, welcome again. In this video I will show you how to create free Apple ID without credit card. Go to setting, sign into your iPhone. Don't have an Apple ID? Create Apple ID. Enter your birthday. Then next. Type your first name and last name. Then next. If you have email address, select first one. If you don't have, get a free cloud email address. I choose second one. Email address. Make a custom email address. This email address will be your new Apple ID. Click next. Click to create email address. Enter your password and verify your password. Enter your mobile number. Select your country. Verification code will be sent to your mobile. Enter your mobile number. You will receive verification code. Agree. Click to agree. Your iCloud is ready now. Just remain a few steps. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. I need your support, please. It's loading. Enter your mobile password. It's up to you to decide, do you want to merge or not. One step is remaining. Let's start. Go to App Store. And download a free app. Select use existing Apple ID. Enter your Apple ID and your password. Click review option. Select your country. Check on agree to condition. Next. Select none in payment method. Enter your street number, your city, postcode, and your phone number. Your country will be selected automatically. Then click next. Continue. Continue. We did it, guys. I will download a free app to show you it's working. I'll download this game. Install it. Enter your password. Now you can see it's downloading. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share our video.